All right.
Right now? Can I do it?
Wait. We'll do it at the same time. So hold the cup with one finger and put the thumbtack on the other.
Oh my god, I can't.
I know. Can you do it?
Ready?
Pull it out. Twist it.
I can't. My arms are too short.
Come over here. Twist it. Ready? Pull it out. Twist it. Right, and take your hand out. Cup.
Oh, it's not going.
It will. Let's go. Let's go sit over there and watch.
I can see the whole. I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. Can you see it? It's squirting out like it's squirting out like crazy.
Like really, really slowly.
Whoa! Where should I put the thumbtack?
All right, come here, Nella. Come here. On this side. Observe it over here because you're making shadows. You see, you're making shadows for the video. There. There you go. And now we wait. Oh wow, I see it going up.
Oh yeah! That's cool. Wait, I hear leaking.
That's downstairs.
Whoa!
You see how the red is drawn
yeah,
over?
Yeah, and the blue is trying to. Oh yeah, it's drawing to the red.
Yeah, but the blue is taking the bottom path.
Mhm. That is cool. Red. The house is red. And now
Don't shake.
Blue. They're gonna bother it.
Oh, it looks cool on the other side where the red's starting to come in over there in the corner.
Whoa, I can see the red gushing out. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Gush, 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 gush. Sneaky. I want to see the blue gushing.
Yeah, just walk over there.
Whoa.
The blue looks nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, in the video it looks like it's going on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Totally.
Don't hold on to the table. You're shaking at the table.
Yeah, the blue is really hard to see. I think we should have made it darker.
No, I think it's good to see. We can see it, right?
I'm gonna be looking on the video. It was 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
And we'll edit the video later.
What does edit mean?
We'll change it and cut out like the beginning and the end and make sure that our talking isn't on it.
Yeah. We should show Mama.
Oh,
with the talking.
She'll see, don't worry. But yeah, we could have easily used more dye. Right?
Yeah. I'm looking at my...
Look, you could actually see the blue starting to fill in the bottom corner.
Yeah. Oh, it happened. It happened.
I can even see like the wave between the two.
Yeah, and there's no purple at all. Is the red still gushing?
So what are you seeing happening here?
The hot water is less density, so it's going on the top. And
But what do you see though?
But it's heading towards the cold water.
Because I see the hot water going up and towards
that's what I just
the cold
said.
water, and I see
the cold water that has more density that's going down and moving towards the warm water.
Cool.
I didn't know that. So warm water are basically, they're totally opposite things.
Actually, they're the same thing, but just different temperature and slightly different densities because of the temperature difference.
Yeah.
You can make hot water cold and it'll be the same density, you know, when it's cold. Or hot, or cold water hot. Really?
You're like, really?
I expect that from Alan.
I think we should make it lighter in the video. It's too.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You just can't see it because of the sun.
Is the video done?
Nope.
It was 6 minutes.
We still have dye coming out a little bit.
So it has to totally be.
No.
Oh.
But just keeps observing, because you can see how it's starting to like swirl on that corner with the blue.
Oh, yep. Wait, it's turning purple. The blue's turning purple.
Yeah, it's starting to mix a little bit and turn
Oh,
purplish.
there's Tom.
Is that?
Yep.
Is he on his quad?
Yeah. Tom has a cute house. See, there he is.
Looks like he's going to be cutting more trees. Where's that guy going?
I don't know. Cross the company line. He just wants to see it. I think he just wants to see it.
You think he knows how to drive that thing?
Yeah.
Hey, Nella! We get some time to check out our experiment on thermal convection. Thermal convection. Noah's interested in how the ocean works and how the ocean currents are created. Ooh.
This will help you figure it out.
Ooh. That's so good. He's even trying to jump up on it.
This will help figure it out.
You want to come check out our setup? It's almost finished. Just don't touch it. It's still recording, Nella.
It turned out purple.
Yep, it's starting to turn all purple.
The convection is ending.
So you want to explain the experiment to Tom?
Okay, so
Thank you
The-
for entries.
Oh, yeah.
the warm water is red, and it
Say that
has
again?
the warm water is red, and it has less density.
Watch out for the camera.
Has density,
Less density.
less density.
And
Wait,
the-
the warm water is red.
And the cold water that's blue has more density, so
So
it
why is
sinks
that?
to the bottom.
Why is that?
Keep get.
And the answer is,
Tell him to just listen.
well, I want to. Do you know why that is? It's okay if you don't. When I was your
I
age, I had no idea.
Yeah.
She knows. She just doesn't remember
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
Convection.
No. But that's what you're about to go ahead and explain the experiment and what's happening.
Okay.
Okay. So the warm water rises because it's warm water.
Because it's, like you said,
Oh yeah,
it's,
because it has less density.
Okay.
And the cold water that's on the bottom has more density, so it sinks.
Okay.
And what else happens? What else did you observe?
Then it forms layers.
But what does the red water do? It goes up, and then what else?
It moves toward the cold water where it's starting.
And what does the cold water do?
It moves toward the warm water where it's coming out.
So what's that process called?
Convection?
Yep. That's convection.
And Mother Nature abhors a vacuum. So Mother Nature wants everything to be just hunky-dory.
Not the kind of vacuum you use to clean.
But an empty spot. An empty spot.
I could smell that from here. Oh, it's going to be good.
So, yeah.
So it looks like the experiment's pretty much done right now. All the dye has been released. What does it look like? What do you see?
The convection is ending.
Is it?
Well, not really. Just on this side, it's kind of ending on this side, but on this side, it's still going.
When does it really stop? How do you know the convection really stops taking place? In this experiment, how would you be able to see that?
When the cups, run out of dye. Or, run out of the water.
So what color would it be?
What color would the water be when the convection stops?
It would be lighter.
Lighter? What do you mean?
Okay, then just all the fluid will come out.
Well, the blue will come out, the red will come out, and eventually they'll be separated initially, but then the separation will start to get less and less.
Yeah, and then they'll start.
What color will the water turn?
Purple.
There you go.
So when all the water is purple, you know there's no more convection happening.
Yeah, there's no more.
But there's always going to be a little bit more. You know why?
Why?
Because we have an energy source.
Oh.
And it's going to heat up the top of the water like we watched yesterday in that video, remember? And then the top of the water is going to get hot, and it's going to keep the process and the cycle going naturally with the sun. Because of the sun. The sun acts like a heater.
I'm burning.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You're fine. Watch the camera. I think we could stop the camera. What do you think?
Yeah, so what do you press to stop it?
I'll do it.